What's going on, guys? It's Gio here and welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the best fonts of 2020. Although this year has been terrible, there are some good things like these fonts here. I've been using these fonts for most of the year. I really like them a lot. I've been using them for mostly sports designs on my portfolio and on my Instagram, both of which are in the description down below. But to start it off, we have Apotec as the first font in the list. Most of these right here are sans serif fonts, most because, you know, they fit the sports theme. There's obviously Market Pro, which is not a sans serif font, it's a marker font. So yeah, so the next font is Azo Sans or Azo Sans. It's one of the two. That one I use very frequently. Urbom I used to use a lot. I still use it, but there's a lot of designs I have with it on my Behance. Industry is also very good. It's also like another font you could use for anything sports related. Like most of these, because I'm trying to get, obviously I'm trying to get into the industry of esports or sports when it comes to graphic design. I really like using sports related or like sans serif fonts that stand out on a design. So I really like those fonts. Those are kind of my favorite style of fonts, to be honest. So that's why I picked them. The next one is Prohibition, which is made by the same person who made the Bourbon font right below. There's also the video font, which I really liked, mostly because it's like a video game kind of feel to it. I don't know, like there's different options for them. For all these fonts, there's different options. There's all different weights and stuff like that for these fonts, so you could try out a bunch of them. So the ones you see on the screen aren't the only options for these fonts. I'm pretty sure there's multiple versions of each of these fonts besides the Market Pro one, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, all these fonts you can find on Adobe Fonts, and if you have the non-cracked version of any photo or any Adobe program, it'll go onto that program. As soon as you press activate font, as long as you own the program the actual way, like the legal way, it'll go to your Photoshop or your Illustrator or your Premiere or your After Effects, any of those programs whatsoever. It'll go towards that program as long as you press activate font. So if you have the cracked version or the illegal version of any of these programs, I have no idea if it activates onto it, so don't ask. I don't know how to help you there. I've been paying for Photoshop for a while now, but I really think it should work right off the bat as long as you log in on Adobe Fonts with your Adobe account that's also logged into your Photoshop. It'll transfer over easily as soon as you press activate. So yeah, please be sure to leave a like on the video if you guys enjoyed. I'll try to make a best fonts of 2021 video as soon as the new year starts, hopefully, and I'll try to come up with a brand new list of fonts to use for that year. Obviously I might use these ones still, but I'm gonna, you know, sprinkle a little bit of new fonts in there and hope for the best, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, and please tell me down below which one is your favorite font out of these 8. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Later.